Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about the tail command. Okay, the tail command is kind of similar to the head command that we have discussed in the last video, but the only difference between the head command and the tail command is that the tail command will start displaying the lines from the bottom of your text file. Alright, so first of all I have to open up the terminal and now I have to open up the files. Alright, so I just want to go to the documents folder because we have some text files there. Okay, I'm gonna go to the documents. Alright, now I'm gonna see the content of the new file because it has some content inside of it. You can see that it has the 10 line of the content. Alright, okay, so now I'm gonna write the tail and now you have to write the name of the file which you want to display. So I'm gonna write the new file and it will display me the 10 lines of the new file.txt because the default value for displaying the lines is the 10, but we can change it. Okay, so how you can change it? You're gonna write the tail and also the name of the file. Then what you need to do here, you're gonna write the hyphen and okay, so now you have to specify the number of the lines which you want to see. So for now I just want to see one line of the new text file, so I'm gonna write the one and it will simply show me the one line. But you can see here that the tail command started displaying the lines from the bottom of the file. You can see that. Alright, so I'm gonna go for 4 lines. You can go for the as many lines as you want. Okay, I'm gonna go for that. As you can see this, and this is how it works. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.